In a council session held at the late Sarah Mateke's home, various leaders praised the late minister for her significant contribution to both regional and national development. Her body was received with solemnity at Kisoro airstrip after being airlifted by a UPDF aircraft AF623, which landed at the Nyakabingo aerodrome at 10 minutes past 11 a.m. Grieving mourners, led by Bukimbiri County Member of Parliament Eddie Kwizera Wagahungu, and security officials including Kisoro Resident District Commissioner Haji Badru Sebiala, were present to receive her body.
Riflemen, go through!
Before the council session, the Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Muhabura, Right Reverend Kranma Mugeshe, led prayers for the mourners before the body was handed over to the A+ funeral team for further arrangements. As her remains were transported in a convoy to her home, mourners lined the roadside to witness the final journey of their beloved legislator. The council session, which commenced at noon, drew a large number of guests, including LT5 chairpersons, speakers, mayors, chief administrative officers, resident district commissioners from the Kigezi Sub-region, Kisoro District councillors, sub-county chairpersons, LT3 chairpersons and other officials. Kisoro District Speaker Amos Hakizimana chaired the session. Alex Nambajimana, the LT5 Vice Chairperson for Kisoro District, moved the motion to honour Mateke and highlighted several of her achievements. Abel Bizimana, the LT5 Chairperson for Kisoro District, proposed that the stadium planned for Sazaland be constructed in Mateke's honour.
He was an ardent advocate for human capital development. Her contribution to human capital development can be reflected in as follows. She encouraged children to go and stay in school and also perform better. In so doing, she had introduced student support for every first 5 students in each sub-county who performed better at the PROE in government-aided primary schools.
This matter to her, that this matter is taken up seriously by the Parliament and allocation of funds to this effect is made by government so that this stadium is seen to be existent and doing its business. That's when the name of Honorable Sarah Nyirabashitsi Mateke will flourish and we shall be enjoying the fruits of the stadium in memory of her.
James Agaba, the councillor for Southern Division in Kisoro Municipality, praised Mateke's educational initiatives, revealing that he was a beneficiary of her sponsorship scheme.
Mr. Speaker, in the memory of Honorable Sarah Mateke, we look forward to conduct a fundraising function to complete the renovation of what she has started at Kisoro Sub-county. And I'm happy the Vice Chairman has already reported the money has been secured to work on that facility. As I conclude, it is important to keep looking to the horizon, hoping and believing that we can still have a bright future.
Engineer Sam Kajojo, LT5 chairperson for Kanungu and head of the Kigezi Sub-region chairpersons, shared that Mateke's sponsorship scheme had supported over 1,000 vulnerable children. He further explained that Mateke had been instrumental in addressing the tea industry crisis in Kigezi, where over 700 people were owed 14 billion Uganda shillings for tea seedlings.
For the 16 districts that are affected by the tea industry that are key actors in the tea sector. Sarah had expressed her willingness to give us a hand and engage with His Excellency the President to see that the people of Kigezi and Ankole would be leveraged in accessing and recovery of this tea sector.
Metropolitan University Kisoro has the highest number from Rwanda district. I spoke to Sarah on Saturday when we were having a party at Kwizera, and she told me, Chairman, I will give you more scholarships this year.
Nyakabingo Sub-county Councillor Dan Nakato described Mateke as a geopolitical pillar deeply involved in uplifting women's groups and addressing domestic violence. She called on the Mateke family to nominate a member to fill her position ahead of the 2025 NRM primaries and the 2026 general elections.
As a district, we shall live to remember her and her deeds. Mr. Speaker, sir, we beg as a district that if the family can have a member who can assist us in this remaining 1 year to push.
The council unanimously approved to the motion to replace her sister, Ruth Nyirabashitsi Mateke, in Parliament.
Together with Kisoro people,
By press time, a memorial service for the deceased was still underway at their home. She will be laid to rest this Thursday at her home in Bugahe Village, Nyakabingo Parish, Chahi Sub-county, Kisoro District. May her soul continue resting in peace.